In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Java not opening jar files. So the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and type in or search in java.com. And you can see here download Java, but you can only download Java in here. Just go ahead and tap that one. And then click on download Java. So you just have to wait for that to download. So once done, all you have to do is go through with Java setup, go and tap install. And it's then going to go and install. So it says here you've successfully downloaded Java. So once done, go back to your Java file and open it. As you can see here, just tap on the open with. And as you can see here, you already got your Java TM Platform SE binary option. So in case you can't see that one here, what you can do is go find this jar fix on your browser again. So in here, I'll be typing jar fix. So jar fix is going to make sure that Java files are open using Java and not other applications. And as you can see here, click the official website. So once you're in here, scroll down to where it says jarfix.exe. So it's right here. So once you click on it, it will be then downloaded. So once done downloading, it says here that the jar suffix has been registered successfully. So go ahead and click on OK. And then go ahead and try opening your Java files again. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.